Yeah,
we're going sport mode now. See you later.
Jesus Christ. I think this is our Mustang, 5 litre. Bad boy car. Is it a GT? Yeah, GT. Look at the back of that end. Nice. Mustang time, boys. Sub key here. I don't know if you can see it. We're renting it from her. It's not going to focus, is it? Doesn't want to focus. Doesn't want to focus at all, but here's the car anyway. Doesn't want to focus, there we go. Got a Mustang GT black one, looks very, very nice. Boys, look at this. Looking nice and lovely. Oh, I'm getting in. Ooh. It's a bit low.
Is it?
Very comfy though.
Have you got the key?
Yes, I do have the key.
Have you checked it for marks and dents and...
It looks pretty pristine to me. Got some footwell marks on here though. Mustangs.
Is this scratch picked up?
Which one? Right, I'll video it.
Darling, can you just check if the scratch is picked up for me?
It's fine. It's like a wear and tear. It's not going to charge you.
No, that's fine. I'm just taking it, so... Oh.
Let's go.
Here's the start button. Oh, hang on.
Oh yes. Very nice.
Distance to empty?
Default?
330 miles.
That's what we like to hear. Sync
Right.
3. Right, let's get this navigation going. What mode do you want it in?
What's this paperwork here?
That's the stuff that I put there.
Oh, right, okay.
Oh. PG's tipping over nicely. Yeah,
we're going sport mode now. See you later.
Jesus Christ.
So, as I'm sure James will have shown you, we've picked up the Mustang, haven't we, dear?
Yes.
And when I say we, I mean you and Dad.
Yeah.
And we went to a clearance store. Where is it?
Somewhere in Old Vineland Road.
So James bought a pair of Converse. What else did you buy? Was that it?
I bought 3 pairs of Converse.
He bought 3 pairs, but only one for him. He bought one for him, one for his brother, and one for his mother. They cost like what, $23?
$74 for 3 pairs, which worked out at something like £18 a pair.
Like £18 for one pair of Converse. Like, that's crazy considering we pay how much at home?
Well, the ones that I got are meant to be like £50.
Yeah. So yeah, we went shopping, did that, and we've just been chilling now, haven't we? You've been playing with the drone.
Oh yeah, that should have gone in the video, but it hasn't. Never mind. Another time.
Now we're gonna go for dinner, aren't we?
Yeah, where are we going?
We're gonna go to AppleBees.
Never been there before?
Nope.
Neither have I.
So we shall see.
Dinner at AppleBees has turned up. Me and Chrissy both went for, was it 4 mac and cheese with chicken tenders and a bit of bacon?
Yes.
Looks very nice.
Peppered honey mustard tenders.
Pepper, honey mustard tenders, and you've got what?
Steak.
A 6 ounce steak with broccoli and some chips. And then Nige has a stir fry.
But that's like not a normal home stir fry, because it looks like they put like
They've got like cheese and stuff
in.
and crisps. Looks nice.
Got rice, sirloin steak, broccoli,
Lovely.
wonton crisp.
Right.
Yo guys, look at this.
Oh, nice.
Didn't realise this until we got out the car. It actually projects a Mustang onto the ground. It's cool. I like that. Nice. How cool was that? Like my hand.
James is dying now.
What did you think of me and was, Nige? Please look at me.
An avatar, that's what I want. Is that what it's called?
Nigel thought a meme was called a meme.
It was just like, this guy's got a meme. We were like, what?
Oh dear.
I'm crying.
What's the matter with the meme, me?
It's a meme.
That's like something out of Teletubbies.
That's Nunu.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's you. You
Oh,
can believe
meme.
that. What's the matter with the meme?
I'm the meme, the rock doctor.
Nothing wrong with a meme, it's when you call it a meme.
Well, that's how you pronounce it. It's a meme.
A meme?
Oh dear.
Oh, sweet Jesus Christ.